Alright, what's going on, guys? Crypto Rich, and today we're looking at a trade for gold once again. And this is actually a really good trade this morning that we caught at 9 o'clock. So pretty much this is what happened. You can see it's 9:09 a.m. at this time where the trade finally finalized. So that was a 1 to 3 trade, so we got 3% on that. I'm gonna show you on the 30-minute now. Pretty much like what I was looking at. You can see that this there was a nice support that I kind of marked off for you guys to see, where I kind of gauged the sell off of. I mean the buy. Now I also know that there was a nice little support right here, and there was a nice retracement. You could have gotten in on another buy this morning. I just took my 1 to 3, but I'm glad to see that it was a bigger play that was, you know, to occur. So hey, anybody watching this, I couldn't do the live this morning, but I'm gonna start doing these lives for the month of July and August, so stay tuned. But yeah, pretty much you can see, just even taking it to that next fib level, that was a 1 to 5 trade if you would have just let it run. But for me, I want to secure my 1 to 3, so that's it. So yeah, that was basically one trade down for this morning. And then I kind of seen that we were at a nice level of resistance. So I'm like, why not put in a sell? Figure, why not put in a sell, right? I know what's going on with this market, especially with gold, and I know the trend. So basing it off of just the bullish pressure, I knew that there was going to be a deep retracement, given that gold is technically in a bearish environment still, but on the 4 hour, you know, it's clearly in a bullish environment. But we're on the 30-minute right now. So anyway, you can see that from this point right here, there was another level of support that I was looking at and thinking, okay, maybe that might be my first take profit. But I just say, you know what, I'm gonna let it run. It was already breaking this, it already broke technically that support. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just let the trade run, get my 1 to 3. And it actually turned out being a lot better than expected. But on the 5-minute, you can see clear where I took the trade. You can see the double top. And I pretty much I caught the retracement and put in a sell. And that was a nice 1 to 3. You know what I'm saying? That easy, guys. You know, just knowing the times you want to trade and looking for them setups through back testing and things of that nature. COT data, commitment of traders data. You can get a good, you know, bias on what you want to do as far as a trade. But yeah, this is about like 9:55 a.m. now, not even 10 o'clock, and we got the sell. That's another 1 to 3. So we came up on 6% today. For me, that was $6,000. So that was $6,000, and technically, in what, 11 last night to 9 in the morning, 12 hours. So yeah. Anyway.